How to fix Google Chrome high memory usage. First of all, you have to open up Google Chrome in your device and make sure that you're logged in. After that, navigate to top right corner and click on this three dot icon. A menu bar will pop up in your interface. From here, click on Settings. Now once you land in the settings page, again navigate to your left hand side and from there click on Performance option. Now under Performance, scroll down a bit and under Memory, there is a toggle that says Memory Saver. So to fix high memory usage, you can turn on this toggle as well. Here it says Chrome frees off memory from inactive tabs. So if there are some inactive tab, it's gonna free some memory and gives active tab and other application more computer resource and keep Chrome fast. So if you like to fix memory usage, you can turn on this toggle right here. And the second thing you have to make sure is that go to extension by clicking on this extension option, and here make sure that you have not too much extension downloaded in your Chrome. If you have added too much extension, that's gonna interrupt the performance level of Google Chrome in your device as well. So to fix memory usage, you can remove the extension from this tab as well. And the next thing you can do is click on this three dot icon, then again go to Settings, or you can simply get back from here and go to the Performance again, and then go to the Privacy and Security. Here scroll down a bit, then you can go to the Delete Browsing Data, and here you can remove all the cache, images and files or other data to fix the memory usage. Now once you have selected the browsing history, cookies and other site data, in case emails and files, you can simply click on Delete Data. Once you have freed some cached images and files and other data, the performance level of Google Chrome will again become fast. And the last thing that you can make sure is that do not open multiple Google Chrome tab in your device. If you have opened multiple, clear them all and only open one Google Chrome tab. So these are all the way to fix high memory usage of Google Chrome in your device, and that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.